Hello everyone, Abdulkass here. This is how to play the piano for people in a hurry. So I'm going to give you about 5 different lessons on how to play the piano. The only requirement is that you follow everything that I tell you. That is to say, whatever I tell you to practice, make sure you practice it very well before moving to the next lesson. So it's going to be a series of just 5 videos. And these 5 videos will include first the shape of the keys, followed by the name of the keys, then the scale of the keys, chords of the keys, and progression of the chords. Now, in today's video, we're going to cover just the shape of the keys. Now, as you can see, the keyboard is made up of white keys and black keys. And as you can see, we have the black keys in set of 2s and 3s. That is to say, when you look at the black keys, you realize that they are arranged in a 2 and 3 fashion. 2, 3, 2, 3. Now, if you understand the first 2 and the first 3, that is the same thing, because it's the same 2 and 3 that sort of repeat in the whole entire piano spectrum. So we have the set of 2s and we have the set of 3s. So 2 black keys and 3 black keys. It means we have 5 black keys. Now, any other 2 and 3 black keys that appear is just the repetition of the same 5 black keys. So if you know the 5 black keys, which is a set of the 2s and the 3s, it means you have mastered the whole black keys. Now, the white keys are the white keys that are sort of surrounding these black keys. For example, if you look at the set of the 2 black keys, you realize that we have a white key before the beginning of the 2 blacks, and then we have the white key in the middle of the 2 blacks, and then we have white key after the 2 blacks. The white before the 2 black keys is different from the white before the 3 black keys. It's important that you understand these shapes, because it is these shapes that give the keys their unique identity. So for example, if you look at the white key before the 2 black keys, it has a name, and the name of that white key is the key of C. But today we are not dealing with the name of the keys yet. We're only dealing with the position of the keys. So it means that anytime you see the white before the 2 black keys, it is the key of C anywhere in the world, as long as it is the white before the 2 black keys. But look at this. It is different from the white before the 3 black keys. So you have to understand the differences between the white before the 2 black keys and the white before the 3 black keys, because if you look at it, sometimes you can confuse the white before the 3 black keys as this one, that is the white before the 2 black keys. So it is important that you notice that there are differences between the 2 of them. Now, in terms of understanding the shapes and their unique positions, we understand them by looking at the white before the 2 black. Then we have a white in the middle of the 2 black keys. Remember, we are learning the whites within the 2 black key region. So we have the white in the middle of the 2 black keys. Then we have the white after the 2 black keys. So it means we have 3 whites surrounding the 2 black keys. The one before it, the one in the middle of it, and the one after it. It means that by mastering this position, we have known the 2 black keys. We have known the whites surrounding them, which is the one before it, the one in the middle of it, and the one after the 2 black keys. Now, when it comes to the 3 black keys, it's the same thing. We have the first white before the 3 black keys. We also have the white after the 3 black keys. But the difference between the 3 black keys and the 2 black keys is that we have 2 whites in the middle. So let's call the first white the first in the middle of the 3 black keys, and the second in the middle of the 3 black keys. So it means the 2 black keys have 3 white keys. The one before and the one after, and then one in the middle. While the 3 black keys have one before it, one after it, but then 2 in the middle. So how can we differentiate the whites that are in the middle of the 3 black keys? Because if I tell you now, press the white in the middle of the 3 black keys, you'll be confused which one, because we have 2 of them. So let's say we have the first white in the middle of the 3 blacks and the second white in the middle of the 3 blacks. So it means we have now mastered all the keys, 12 of them all together, which is the 2 black keys and the 3 black keys, the white keys surrounding the 2 black keys and the white keys surrounding the 3 black keys. This is as simple as it gets. If you can understand this shape and their unique position, if I give you their names, it means you know the names because you know their individual unique shape, because each of them are in a position. Now, This is the end of today's video, but there's something I need to emphasize which is very important. If you underestimate this thing as simple as it looks, the next lesson will start to become difficult. So the secret of understanding and mastering this very well is to just go at it and make sure that you understand this particular shape very well. So that in the next video, as I give you the name of these keys, you can now associate the name of these keys based on their position, because you have understood their positions. And that position is the most important. And thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.